Here we are celebrating my brother's 80th birthday! Happy birthday, Sangko! 80 years old! Woo! You're live! Say hi, you're on live, everyone.
Facebook.
Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! You're on live! Say happy birthday to Uncle Rudy. Say happy birthday, Sampo. Many more birthdays. Happy birthday, say happy birthday. Hi. Happy birthday. You're on live. Happy birthday, Sangko. There's Sangko, 80th birthday niya na. Today. Oh, yeah. Si Ate B.
Happy birthday, Sangko. Happy birthday, Sangko.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you, Sangko. Happy 80th. Hello, say hello everyone. Say happy 80th birthday. You're on live. You're on live. Okay. You're on live. Say happy birthday. Thank you. Oh, you're on live. Say hi. Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Rudy!
Hello, you're on live. Say hi. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you, Ruby. Happy 80th. Happy Buya.
Thank you. Later. Oh, everyone, say hi. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Sangko.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Say happy birthday. Thank you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
29, happy birthday, Rudy.
Happy birthday po. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Thank you po. Enjoy. Okay, right here. Say happy birthday, Sangko. Happy birthday. Happy 80th.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday, Sangko.
Okay, alright. Okay, happy birthday, Sangko. Happy birthday, Sangko. Happy 80th birthday. Woohoo! That's so me. Okay, happy birthday. Alright, check this out. We're gonna go out there. Say happy birthday, Sangko. Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
All right. Happy birthday, Sangko. Happy birthday. Thank you, po. Okay, check this out. I'm gonna start eating now. Okay. We are here. Donay Bachi. Check out the food. Oh my God. I'm gonna eat in a bit. Dami. Sorry. God. A lot of food. Look at that. Hello. Say happy birthday, Sangko. There's summer.
Merry Christmas.
Yeah, Merry Christmas. Hey, cutie. Do you like the outfit? Oh.
We washed it already.
Oh, you did?
So that she
Until 4, though. Huh? No, well, she'll grow. Yeah, she'll grow. I know. Fast, yeah. Yep, just like, Clarice and, Tia's 8. I buy her size 14, 16.
Yeah, she is.
Yeah, okay, there you go. More over here. Look at that. Oh my God. Ang dami. Oh my God, they even have rambutan. Ooh, very good, huh? Nice. Lots of selection. Look at that. Warrior and Alhambra. Golden, is it Golden Hibachi? Golden Hibachi? What's it called? Golden Seafood Hibachi? What's the name of the restaurant? Oh. Right here. I'll go to the front. They even have sushi. Yeah, I forget. There's so many buffet stuff. So there you go. Here we go. Oh, it's Gold Hibachi Buffet here in Alhambra. Okay, check it out. They have an extra room right there if you want another room. It's a smaller one. See, if you want a private party here, there's another one. But the ones, oh, hey, ooh, what flavor is that? Chocolate chip. There you go, Kaylin. All right, there you go. Okay, I'm gonna start eating now. How's everyone doing? Merry Christmas. And hopefully I get to rest tomorrow every day. Birthday celebration, Christmas celebration, oh my goodness, non-stop. Okay. I mean, not really rest, because I have to post a lot of pictures. Bye for now. Thank you for watching. Merry Christmas and a prosperous New Year to you guys. Bye-bye you. Okay, who's here? All right, bye.